All right, so siblings Reese and Maria Greenland found a video online and started making reusing totes from old T-shirt. Now, to me old, me don't even know what is a tote. So they want to share this cost-effective way to help the environment. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
Great to meet you both. Maria, let me start with you. Why you wanted to do this in the first place?
Well, we realized how much plastic we're using and how much waste goes, approximately 8,600 tons of solid waste each day in Jamaica. So we were looking online for answers, and we found this video of making a bag, a washable, reusable bag, out of an old T-shirt, and it doesn't involve sewing, so we thought, why don't we try this?
Yeah,
and Mommy ended up using it.
Oh, and Mommy is here, by the way. So, Reese, where does this love for the environment come from? Why do you play football and basketball and forget about the environment? Where does this come from?
Well, growing up, we've always been aware of the problem of global warming, and it's getting hotter each year due to plastic pollution, pollution from the chlorofluorocarbons from our cars, from our airplanes. Pretty much everything we do somehow comes back to harming the environment. So we decided that even if it's a small impact, we wanted to try and make a change. So in it, we tried to introduce this to our school, and with the help of our teacher, Miss Mary Jones, we introduced it step by step in our school, starting with first form. So in the class's form times, we decided to give them the opportunity to learn how to make these. And so far, we've done first form, and we're looking to expand to second, third, fourth, fifth form, and eventually sixth form.
Fantastic, and I'm told that your principal, Miss Baston, she has one. You present. Does she have to buy it?
No.
Why?
It's free of charge.
Free of charge? So you don't earn from this?
No.
You don't want to?
No.
I mean,
So-
our earn is helping the environment.
So what you going to do with all of them that you make? You're just going to, give them away? What you going to do?
Well,
Or are you
pretty
just
much.
coming to show us that we could do it and we'll be good with that?
Yeah.
How is it
We're
made?
going to show
Show
you
me.
how to do it.
Show me, how is it made?
So, first off, we have 3 shirts here.
Yeah.
Well, 3 semi-shirts here.
Yeah.
So one is a bag that's been fully made. It's completely usable. It's been knotted. Everything's been done for this.
Can you show me from start? Start with, yes, show me what you
There
do
you go.
with,
Maria, you
I
start.
hope it's not my T-shirt.
Use this one, Maria.
Maria's not my T-shirt, you're going to cut up in. Okay, so where is that?
Well,
Yeah.
first you cut off the sleeves.
All right, cut off the sleeve. Okay. And you saw all of this online, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's easier if you use the fabric scissors. to cut it.
Yeah.
And then you cut off the next sleeve.
So, Reese, why you have Maria doing all the work? You don't plan to do anything?
Maria's better than me at it.
Oh, you're the manager? Reese say he's the manager. Managers don't work. I agree with you. Yeah? So
And then
get
you-
rid of those.
And then you have to cut. You have to cut off the collar.
This one is somewhat harder because
Why is it harder?
it's the seams, so if you don't use proper scissors.
Okay. Reese is really the manager. Maria? He
Yeah.
doesn't do anything, does he?
No.
No? So how many you plan to make, or you've just showing people what to do and you're finished with
We're
it?
just
Well, we-
showing people and we're done.
So
just
you're
wa-
finished with it now?
Well, we just want to teach everyone so that they can make their own one. They can make their own tote bag and take it to buy when they buy groceries. Not too heavy though. It's because it's out of cotton. And then you can put the food in there, the light things like a bread loaf. But the great things about these tote bags is that they're made out of cotton, so they can be washed.
Makes sense. All right. So Maria, what else? That's
Well,
it?
no, these are first.
Reese, you are
steps.
going to do something this month, whether you like it or not, you know.
And now you have to turn it inside out.
Inside out.
Turn it inside out. Right.
Uh-huh.
And then you have to cut slits at the bottom of it.
What do you mean cut slits? Oh,
So you cut like 3 to 4 inch slits.
like so?
Yeah,
Yes.
about 1 inch apart, and you do it across the whole bottom of it.
Like so?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like this.
That's
And another one here?
Yeah,
You're supposed to do it all along.
it looks a bit like this.
Maria. Maria look like I come to work this morning. Yeah? One more?
Yeah.
All along?
Yeah.
Reese do something, no, man. Sure. And again,
interrupted
I look
you.
like an expert, no? Maria?
Yeah.
You do.
All right, so what? So and then it ends up like this.
And it ends up with a load of slits along the bottom of it.
And then what?
And then you have to knot them. To knot them like this.
So,
Maria. Thank you very much. God, Reese, look like you just come with your handsome self on TV. So you knot them.
You take it.
All right, and then it ends up where? This?
Yeah,
Like
and then you have
this.
to finish
Oh,
knotting.
so all these are knotted?
these are.
These are. And then when it's fully knotted, it looks like this. When it's fully knotted, it looks like this, and it's knotted along the whole bottom of it.
And then, so this is an official bag here.
Yeah, and then you just turn it inside out again.
Turn it
You
inside
can't
out
see the
again.
knots, and it's a bag. Yep.
You know you're going to be a manager, because managers don't work. You're just going to tell everybody in the world what to do, don't it? And this is it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So the principal still has hers?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Presented her with a Campion t-shirt.
A Campion t-shirt.
We made it into a bag.
And you cut up the Campion t-shirt.
With permission, with permission.
Yeah. This is great. This is fantastic.
Thank you.
And then you can wash it, as they say, and you can use it again. But Reese made an important point. This is the only thing him do from him come this morning. That when you go grocery, you can't put no whole heap of heavy stuff in there because it's not going to work. But this is sealed though.
Yeah.
It can hold a bit. Yeah, and then it. No man, this is firm. Can I have this?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our present to you.
Reese going to be the Prime Minister of the world. Great to meet you, boy.
Nice to meet you too.
Good to see you, moms. Siblings Reese and Maria Greenland of Campion College. And you have a Green Generation Club?
Yes, we do, at school.
You started that or you just a
No.
part of it?
We
No.
are part of it.
So you always had that?
It's been there, I don't know how long it's been there for, but it's been there for quite a while.
Okay. Which form are you in?
I'm in third form.
First form.
First? What you going to be when you finish school?
I don't know.
I just told you, the manager, and you'll be
I think I want to go into business, but I'm not sure.
to work for Reese.
Hopefully not.
Great to meet you both. All right, folks, we move on. The world of animation with Kingston. Soon come back. Me and my bag. Love it.